Oh yeah, so I had a question for the HPPB. I was thinking about watching Hunter x Hunter, but I still got bored at the beginning, and I just don't know if I can last 150 episodes of this. So I was just wondering if,
Do it! Just do it! Do it! Just do it! Yes, you can!